Hi everyone, my name is Bianca. I'm a local chef here in Ojai and my business is Compassionate Eating, and I love to make delicious organic food for people's bellies, and catering retreats or cooking for private clients or doing cooking classes are all things that I really enjoy because I love sharing how delicious and healing organic beautiful food can be. So today I wanted to share a recipe with you that uses collard leaves as wraps. These are really great because they're so versatile. You can fill them with just about anything, whatever proteins work for you or veggies that your belly likes. I'm going to share how to make a sprouted sunflower seed pate, which has a lot of good protein in it. So basically we're going to be using these ingredients here, which is the soaked and sprouted sunflower and pumpkin seeds. There's some pumpkin seeds in there too. And we have some just gently marinated salad greens, just a little bit of olive oil and vinegar, salt and pepper. And we have some zucchini and carrot ribbons, some cucumber, and a little bit of parsley and green onion and fennel for the sunflower pate. So first we're going to start with making the pate. So we're going to grab our sunflower seeds and our pumpkin seeds and put them in the food processor. And then we're going to use some parsley. Parsley is really good for the belly. It's also good for the liver. So we're going to add some parsley. And they're going to add a little bit of green onion. You can also make this pate spicy. If your belly and your taste buds like spicy, you can add a little bit of jalapeno or some chilies in there if you like. I'm going to keep it mild today with some fennel. For those of us that have sensitive tummies, a little bit of fennel, and you can use any kind of herbs with this pate. I'm using parsley today, but you can use fresh basil or dill. It goes really well with a lot of different herbs. And then we're going to add some sea salt and lemon juice. I'd say about like a whole lemon's worth would be good. Okay, now that our sunflower seed and pumpkin seed pate is all done, we're going to start with our collard leaf. And there's a little trick to making it easy to fold, because if you fold it without trimming the stem, then the leaves might snap and it might not hold together as well. So what you want to do is just take a knife and then just kind of gently cut away the thick part of the stem, and then you can just trim it off at the bottom. And so now it'll roll up a lot easier and it won't snap on you. Okay, so we're going to take some cucumber, a little bit of zucchini ribbons, some carrot ribbons, some of our pate that we made. Some of our marinated salad greens. I know I didn't mention that avocado in the ingredients earlier, but I think avocado just goes without saying. You can add some creamy good avocado in there. And you can add just a little bit extra salt if you want to. And then you can either tuck in the sides, or you can leave them open, but if you have a big leaf, sometimes it's good to just tuck it in like a burrito. And then you just roll it up like this. And there you go. I also just wanted to share a little appetizer. It's really simple, since you have some of this pate already made. If you just want to make it special for this, you can just make some appetizers with it, with just some cucumber or zucchini. You can do like raw zucchini too. And then put like a little cherry tomato and some fresh herbs on there. Like so. Like that. You have some little tasty little appetizer snacks. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just remember that you have the power to make positive change with the foods that you buy and the lifestyle choices that you make. By choosing organic foods, we're not only healing ourselves, but we can also heal the planet. So if you'd like to learn more about compassionate eating and check out some other free recipes, you can visit my website at compassionateeating.com. I'll see you next time. Be well, be nourished.